Hi guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I'm going to share a delicious and oh so pretty cocktail that is perfect for Valentine's Day or for your Valentine's Day celebrations. It's a Hibiscus Margarita and it's so delicious. It's made with a hibiscus syrup and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Go on, I'm waiting. Click the bell button so you're notified each time we upload a new video. With that being said, let's have a look at the ingredients for this delicious Hibiscus Margarita. So first off, we're gonna need some tequila blanco. We're going to need Cointreau, lime juice, our delicious hibiscus syrup, and I'm going to show you how to make that in a moment. We're going to need some limes for garnish, obviously some margarita, some salt and some ice. So for our delicious hibiscus syrup, all we're going to do is get a saucepan, place some hibiscus dried flowers, some sugar and some water, and we're going to bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a little bit until the water is reduced and you get this lovely thick syrup. Place this in the fridge overnight to let it cool down and so that the flowers can steep and the color can develop. So in the end, you're left with your delicious syrup and also the beautiful dried flowers that have been hydrated, and you can use this to decorate your cocktail as well, so do not chuck that. So to start our cocktail, we're going to need a cocktail shaker. So into our cocktail shaker, we're going to use 1 ounce of tequila, we're going to use 1 ounce of our hibiscus syrup. Look how beautiful that color is, and this is going to give a gorgeous color to our cocktail and also some delicious flavor. We're going to use half an ounce of Cointreau. Try not to make a mess here. And we're going to use half an ounce of lime juice. And also I'm going to put some ice in there to keep everything nice and cool. Now we're going to shake it. But before we pour it into a glass, we're going to get a margarita glass here. We're going to get a little bit of lime all the way around the edge of our cup, because it is traditional margarita. And we're going to dip it into some salt. And this is super fun to do with your guests during the party. And then we're just going to pour our cocktail into our beautiful glass. Now we're just going to garnish with some lime wedges. You can place a beautiful hibiscus flower or two in your cocktail. Well, let's have a taste. So cheers! You guys, this is delicious, refreshing, and it looks so beautiful for Valentine's Day or for your Valentine's Day celebrations. And if you like more cocktail ideas or even Valentine's Day recipes, crafts and decor, don't forget to check out our playlist over here for more ideas and for more creative videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!